What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Ben, and it's your boy,
And we're
Zim
going to
Zim.
record a video.
We're gonna making a video about the guns.
The nerf. They're not real. They look real.
And
We
have a sniper,
but it's hard to load.
but we have ammo. We're not gonna use it. And we have this gun.
And this gun, this is how we use it. So you just pull it, and then you pull it. You have the finger on your trigger. You pull it back like that.
Yes, sir.
And we have a pistol, and then so you just pull it, and then
We have a nerf. We don't know how to use that.
yeah. So you just grab it, put your hand like that. But when you're ready, do not put your finger on the trigger, but you're just gonna go like, and I'm just ready. So pa 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 like that. When you're ready, and that's all. Yeah. See ya. And those losers.
Oh, no, those are not losers. Alright, can I do it?
What?
Come on. And bye.
Bye.
Alright, that was a good one.